Hi guys, I'm back with a brand new topic. Today we shall be studying physics, topic forces. Follow me until the end and learn some physics. What is a force? In my own opinion, I would say a force is a push or pull acting on an object that changes the motion of the object. In simple words, we can say a force is a push or pull acting on an object. Types of forces include non-contact forces and contact forces. A non-contact force is a force which acts on an object without coming physically in contact with it. This means that the force is invisible, but it's there. For example, the magnet pulling the iron doors, it's not in contact with it, but the force is there. You get it? Contact forces. What are contact forces? Contact forces are types of forces that result when the two interacting objects are perceived to be physically contacting each other. Examples of contact forces are frictional force, tension force or tensional force, normal force, air resistance force, applied force, and spring force. Action at a distance forces, another word to mean non-contact forces. Examples are gravitational force, electrical force, and magnetic force. There are four main examples of forces in physics. The first and foremost is gravitational force. Gravitational force is an attractive force that every object in the universe exerts on every other object in the universe. Example of gravitational force is dropping a ball on the ground, dropping a plain paper on the ground, and so many others. Upthrust force. Upthrust force is the force that pushes an object up and makes it seem to lose weight in a fluid. It is the force which is responsible in making the object float or sink in a liquid. An example of upthrust force is a boat floating on water. Electrostatic force. The electrostatic force is also known as the Coulomb force or Coulomb interaction. It's the attractive or repulsive force between two electrically charged objects. Like charges repel each other, while unlike charges will attract each other. Example is rubbing a balloon on hair and letting it attract paper, for it is static electricity. Last but not least, frictional force, also known as friction force. Friction is a type of force that opposes the motion of objects. There are two types of frictional force. These include kinetic and static. Kinetic is the force of resistance on an object that causes the object to stop movement, while static is the force of resistance on an object that prevents motion. An example of frictional force is running. The greater the surface, the more friction. The smoother the surface, the lesser friction it will be. Right now, I think the surface might be rough. That means the friction is more. Effects of forces include: number 1, a force can move a stationary object. Number 2, a force can stop a moving object. Number 3, a force can change the speed of a moving object. Number 4, a force can change the direction of a moving object. Last one, number 5, a force can change the shape and size of an object. Please subscribe if you love this video, click on the liking button and put a comment down below. I love you all. Until next time, goodbye. Mwah.